Okay.
Don't worry, I'm a vlogger. Right, I'm helping out in the kitchen because today we're gonna cook mackerel. Besides, I have to get ready because Ate Emmy, who's taking the camera, is leaving this Saturday.
Ala. Ano pa?
Yeah, you're going back, right? You're going back to Leyte, to Tacloban. Right? Yeah, perfect. Make sure it's at least 1 minute. Yeah. Besides, how do I say this? There's a rally in Pasig where I plan to go. It's in Lenny's rally. And today, let's see. It's the walk. Me and cleaning the walk. Because we're gonna cook mackerel. Oh, the water's dripping. Yeah, great.
Naku.
Huh?
Pag nakita ito ng girlfriend mo, matutuwa. Marunong pala ito mag ano sa kusina.
No, so that Ate Nora and Lovely can see. Yeah, perfect. I guess I'll clean this. You can wash this. See?
Wash properly.
Yeah. Sure, I will. Oops. Yeah, I'm all wet. Yeah, basically, this is my first time cleaning a wok, so I have to be careful. Not to, no, nothing bad happens. Yeah? Okay, mission accomplished. So next thing we're gonna do, we have onions. At chopping board.
Ayun sa likuran mo.
Oh,
Sa likod mo.
oh,
Your
yeah.
back. Yan.
There's a chopping board. Have some onions ready. Ah. Need lots of effort to do this. Huh? Yeah. Hmm? Alright, so we have the onions ready. Ants over me. First I have skinned the onions. Alright, our onions are it's red onions. Yep. I know it's fun, right? So you better make it really fun. Cooking's fun, don't worry. I love cooking. Is it raining? Oh, it is raining. Great. All right. So I'm gonna pour
Okay.
this one here. Says Saba. From. Whoa! What's this? What is this? Ooh, I have to be
Baka
careful.
masugat ka, ha?
So I'll just pour this here, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So here's the Saba. See, it says mackerel. Yeah. So I'm gonna pour this here.
Yeah.
Wow, those are huge. Do I put water or no need?
Kunti lang. Yan. Okay. Tapos isalang mo dito.
Perfect.
Nakabukas na yan.
You see? This one?
Maliit. Sige, sige, pwede na.
Alright, so that's it. Thank you for watching and have fun, okay? See you next time. Bye bye.